Good morning, students. Myself, Pavan sir. As we have been discussing regarding the second chapter, Socialism in Europe, in the previous slides, it was discussed that there were three groups. They were known as liberals, radicals, and conservatives. So, here we will see first liberals. Liberals were the people who followed the ideology of tolerance to religions. They were opposed to uncontrolled powers of dynastic rulers, and they wanted to safeguard the rights of individuals. So in this regard, you know that they were the people, they did not want any particular religion to rule over the nation. Rather, they wanted everybody to remain peaceful and let everybody remain and practice their faiths in tolerance. Secondly, as you see here, that the dynastic rulers, they wanted here that there should be the rule of people to be established in that particular country. And they also wanted that individual rights to be protected. Everybody is to be considered equally, and everybody should enjoy the rights given by the country or the constitution. And these people, though they had very good ideology, but cannot be called as Democrats, because they wanted to give only the voting rights to the propertied man, and they were not in the favor of the voting rights of women. Here the second group of people were the radicals, and you see here that their ideology was that they wanted the government to raise majority of country's population. So they wanted that the majority of the country should rule and form the government to be ruled in the nation. And secondly, they were also in opposition of the privilege of wealthy factory owners and landlords. And thirdly, you would see that they disliked concentration of wealth in few hands. They wanted that all the property to be owned by the government rather by few people. And these were the people who supported the women's suffragette movements. So they wanted that men as well as women both should have the right to vote. And the third group was conservatives. And here you see that these type of people had the different ideology, that they earlier opposed the idea of change. They did not want that any transition or change should take place. But later on, they accepted the ideas of changes, and they believed in preserving and respecting past. Though they wanted that the change should take place, but they also believed that we need to preserve and respect the past glory of the country. And finally, they wanted the change, but at a very slow pace. They were of the opinion that the change can take place, but not immediately, rather in the process of time or after many years, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.